Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Driven to Compete. I had an opportunity today to run some errands with my uncle. Haven't gotten to hang out with him in a while. So anyway, he decided that he wanted to go look for a new set of golf clubs and run a couple errands. So I did a little surprise video. I don't think he realized he was being videoed at the time. I hope you enjoy it. I thought it was funny, and we had a lot of fun today making the video. So if this is your first time watching the channel, please watch, like, subscribe. T-shirt says it. Here's my shirt, Driven to Compete, and would love comments and feedback, please. And if you're watching, thank you. Hope you enjoy the video. I could have told you that.
I've been sitting back in the seat, but not like that. It's like, holy shit!
Yeah, I know.
I guess motherfucker, you can give me a Woody. Push it down.
I told you, it's 800 horse. What do you expect?
Fucking thing took off. You drive it better than your dad. I'll never tell your dad that.
I wasn't even in it hard.
You drive it better than your dad, but I'll never tell your dad that. No, your dad's better. Okay? Just so you know.
Okay.
The truth.
Not a problem.
Of course, you drive it all the time. You got the hip problem. I'm not recording yet. You let me know.
Traffic, I don't know what we're gonna do.
Jesus Christ, you scared the shit out of me. I need that lane.
Yeah, I know. We got this lane.
Jesus Christ. Oh my God! Oh my God! You little shit!
We weren't. I wasn't.
Did you do this to your Uncle Bill?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Uncle Bill needed Depends when I was done. I really didn't walk in it that hard. Actually, when we drove,
fucking cops are gonna be on our
when I took him for a ride, he was actually. At first, he was like, "Slow down, slow down," and then he was like, "Hey, pass that car up here. Don't even get out of it. Just pass that." I was like,